Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Experian account permanently. In order to delete your account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser choice. On the search box, type in the link that is creditmatcher.com/co.uk. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and in the top right corner, click on the login button and then login in chunk. Now, there are different ways of closing your free Experian account whenever you like, either online or an email web form, or you can directly contact a customer care through a call, or you can write an email to them. So to close it online, all you need to do is first of all log in into your account and then head over to my subscription, which will be right on top. So after you click on it, next interface you'll be able to see an option as close my Experian account or contact us. So to close your account or to delete your account, click on close my Experian account, and you'll be notified through an email or an SMS that the account has been closed, and in this way you can close or delete your Experian account permanently. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.